Welcome, everyone. Nature never fails to amaze us, from massive waves and sudden twisters to breathtaking lights in the sky. Every moment leaves us in awe. Let's dive right in.
Hey!
On Mount Sanking in China, a landslide roared down like a river of rock and dirt, leaving everyone who saw it frozen in fear.
Okay guys, tara guys, okay guys, tara guys.
In Maragusan, Davao de Oro, the ground shook, and just moments after the quake, an entire mountainside collapsed, burying the Shadol Road in seconds.
Tara guys, thank you. Hey!
Oh gosh.
Wow!
What began as small slides in Quezon, Vietnam, quickly escalated as an entire hillside crumbled into the Songma River, a devastating landslide. Oh gosh. Wow. The storm over Florida's panhandle was awesome in every sense. Trees swayed, winds howled, and nature showed its raw power.
It's coming for the shore. Let's see.
A normal beach day in Florida turned terrifying when a waterspout formed, sweeping across Clearwater Beach and pulling everything into its wild spin.
Oh my god! Look at that. Oh, cow. Get that.
Get out of the way!
The Kinzer Bridge over the Nolichucky River in Tennessee gave way under relentless floodwaters, a heart-stopping reminder of nature's unstoppable power. Oh my gosh. A drone pilot in British Columbia captured the moment a colossal avalanche tore down a mountain face. Raw power caught on camera. In the Rocky Mountains, two skiers were testing their lines when the slope suddenly gave way, an avalanche charging straight down the mountain. Oh my gosh. Have you ever witnessed nature's raw power up close? Share your most unforgettable moment in the comments.
我想说奇怪，怎么会？哇，怎么办啊？我的车子呢？这手机我的。哇，这里要崩过来了。哇，怎么办？
In another scene, snow sliding off a roof sent parked cars skidding down the street. Falling rocks can strike without warning. And remember, never underestimate heavy rain in the mountains. After moments of tension, the emergency room could finally breathe a sigh of relief. Everyone was safe. What would you do if the ground started shaking while you were driving? Footage from Colonna, Italy will make you think twice.
Oh my gosh!
During a boat ride in Xochimilco, Mexico, the ground suddenly shook, an unexpected earthquake rippling through the area.
I just don't want my phone to get wet.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing. That's why I'm amazed. It's surreal.
In Homewood, Alabama, residents were pulled to safety by boat in the middle of floodwaters, hit like to thank the silent heroes who risked it all. At Utah's National Park, the storm transformed the landscape into a breathtaking scene, temporary waterfalls cascading down towering cliffs. Can you guess what kind of tree this giant actually is? Or could it just be an enormous model built to trick our eyes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Dream Lake in Colorado's Rocky Mountain National Park freezes into strange patterns. Its surface anything but smooth, turning the landscape into nature's art. A helicopter touched down safely by the river until it suddenly tipped over, chaos erupting before everyone's eyes. One plane suffered a landing gear failure, but thanks to skilled ground crews, it touched down gently without harm. A heart-stopping moment in Miami. Two riders on a trike narrowly escaped a collision with a speeding tri-rail train.
You gotta be me, bruh.
What seemed routine in Aledo, Texas turned critical when a minor impact derailed a train, proof of why rail safety matters. In Andover, a powerful EF3 tornado hurled vehicles and shattered windows, a chilling reminder of extreme weather's force. On Old Forest Hill Road near Mammoth Bar, huge boulders blocking the path were blasted apart in a controlled explosion, clearing the way to keep everyone safe. Cameras captured the dramatic fall of an old bridge in Wuppertal, Germany, as it collapsed in a cloud of dust after a controlled demolition. Wow. Near Clarkson, Nebraska, a tornado spun up dirt into the sky, a raw display of nature's terrifying strength. When fire meets wind, Canada witnessed a rare fire tornado that left everyone speechless. In Saskatchewan, an entire field transformed into a giant vacuum cleaner as a rope tornado churned across the land.
Oh, there it goes. That whole thing just went.
In Alaska, a massive slab of snow broke free and thundered down the slope, creating a breathtaking yet dangerous avalanche.
We We got a rumbler tumbler coming down the jungle. Yeah, boy! Woo!
At Argentina's Perito Moreno Glacier, massive ice slabs broke away and crashed into the water below, leaving tourists stunned. A powerful system dumped record snowfall across the Lake Tahoe region, turning it into a frozen winter wonderland. An incredible scene unfolds in Transcarpathia, Ukraine, where warming temperatures break apart winter ice, sending massive chunks drifting down the Tisa River in Kostilivka. In Metro Manila, a barge became trapped beneath a bridge as storm waters surged, showing just how relentless nature can be. In the Maldives, a diver came face to face with a giant whale shark, pure power and grace from the true kings of the ocean. When a humpback whale exhaled, sunlight hit the mist, creating a rainbow effect, a magical mix of biology and nature.
They're coming over to us.
Wow.
Oh, man. You guys hear that? That's the...
I wonder if the what?
I got ice in that lifetime.
No.
I have a hydrophone.
In Sharpsburg, Pennsylvania, cars were swallowed by floodwaters as streets turned into raging rivers within minutes. Oh gosh. And in Colorado Springs, even a U.S. Postal Service truck was no match for the rushing waters dragged away in the chaos. Hurricane Helene left Asheville's River Arts District submerged, drowning not only streets and homes, but also the heart of local culture. In Asut, Egypt, a building collapsed after modifications weakened its foundation, a harsh reminder of structural safety. Right after clearing their yard, a massive slab of snow crashed down from the roof. Luckily, the couple had already stepped away. Amid the rubble, only the staircase where he stood remained intact, a once-in-a-lifetime escape that left viewers holding their breath. Then across the ocean in Paris, dramatic footage captured the storm sweeping over the city. Dark skies and roaring winds turned the landscape into something straight out of a disaster movie. In northeastern Illinois, fierce storms strike, hard, strong gusts and pounding rain battering the region. Always stay alert and check your home gas supply. Even a small mistake can spark disaster. Fireworks suddenly veered off course, exploding right near someone at the doorway. A chilling reminder: fireworks are never a toy, so always handle them with care. A fierce lightning strike in Pennsylvania set off dozens of car alarms at once, chaotic and terrifying to witness. Severe thunderstorms slam into central Tennessee. The best advice: stay indoors, follow weather alerts, and avoid dangerous areas.
Owls are out there somewhere. It's even been hailing.
Meanwhile, Tampa is left reeling as intense storms tear through, leaving behind destruction and chaos. This looks like some kind of magical liquid. Can you guess what it really is? Captured on camera, the mysterious optical phenomenon known as St. Elmo's fire glows brightly, created by the raw power of Earth's electric fields. And finally, a jaw-dropping moment near London's Heathrow Airport when a plane appeared to be struck by lightning mid-flight. A rare and truly dramatic scene. Two homes collapsed into the Tennessee River during a landslide in Morris Chapel, a nightmare scene caught on camera. Visibility drops to near zero as a spring blizzard engulfs Texas, proof that extreme weather can strike at any time.
My boy is here.
A transformer explodes as Hurricane Milton lashes St. Petersburg. In remote Queensland, a line of slaters marched across the road, a quirky and mesmerizing sight.
It's more fun when you have a door.
Yeah, because people can come in.
Comment 1 if that made you jump too.
Yeah, we do. Yeah. I got that.
Takes the grand out of this, but the church has got hit again.
Oh my.
In Glasgow, strong winds from Storm Ewan brought down an entire barn in seconds, nature's fury on full display. Storm Ellen batters Devon on England's southwest coast, fierce winds and high tides sweeping away Woolacombe's iconic beach huts. But not all demolitions go as planned. A Dallas high-rise tilts dramatically after a failed implosion, earning it the nickname the Leaning Tower of Dallas. During heavy rain, a loud bang rings out as power lines spark dangerously close to a home. Always keep your distance from downed lines in a storm. Tonight, Grandview received a free spotlight show from nature itself, but trust me, it's best to watch from indoors.
Well, two reasons. One, it would be.
What do you feel watching this beauty, fear, or maybe a little of both? Share your thoughts below. Kilauea awakens once again, spewing glowing lava skyward in a fiery natural performance impossible to forget. Thank you for joining us through these incredible moments. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell. More jaw-dropping scenes from our amazing planet are still ahead. See you in the next adventure.